Hello class. Today we are going to work on a name Blinkie animation. Let me show you how to begin. First, click on the ABC Animate logo. A new window will appear. And here are the animation tools that you will use. Right here. First, you have a pencil, a paintbrush, letters. Oh, if something pops up right here, just ignore it. Okay, go away. Anyway, back to where I was. You have a pencil, paintbrush, letters, shapes, eraser, images. You have an option to select objects or things that you've drawn, and you have the delete option. Here you have different sizes. So this is different pencil sizes. Now if I click on paintbrush, we have different paintbrush sizes, and of course you have different colors. And on this side here, you have edit background, copy frame, previous frame, clear frame, undo if you make a mistake, start new, and finally save. And then after that you have play. So let me show you how to create your own name Blinkie. First of all, I'm going to show you how to add a background. You can certainly color your own background, or you can choose edit background. And this will be the background through all of your frames. I'm going to choose underwater. Click done. And you can see that my background is grayed, but in my actual animation it will show up as a blue underwater background. Right now I'm working on frame 1. This is just like a movie. You're working on it frame by frame. So for frame 1, I'm going to color a letter. I'm going to click on paintbrush and choose my paintbrush size and my color. I'll go ahead with green. Okay. Now, if you want to delete an object, you click on delete, or you can simply click on undo, and it will undo the last two things that you did. So let me color that again. Okay, and now that's frame 1. What I want to do is I want to copy this frame to frame 2 because I want to keep this letter. I'm going to click on copy, and now I'm working on frame 2. Frame 1 and frame 2 are identical right now, but I'm going to add something to frame 2. Going to add an O. And I'm doing it in yellow because I know my background's blue and it's really going to stand out. Okay, now I'm going to copy my frame again. Don't forget to copy the frame. And now I'm working on frame 3. Going to add another letter. Okay. And I'm going to copy my frame again, working on frame 4, and I'm on my 4th letter. We'll go with kind of maybe a lighter blue. We'll see how that works. Okay, so I'm going to play my animation so far to give you a preview. Okay, I'm going to copy the frame again though and add something to my animation. I'm going to change my brush size. Well, you know what? I'm pretty happy with that brush size. I'm going to change the letter J by adding, what color would go good with green? Probably maybe this color. We'll see. Pretty good. Okay, good enough. Good enough for the purposes of this video. Now I'm going to click on copy frame, and I'm going to work on the second letter. What goes good with yellow? Maybe a dark blue. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I am not a perfect guy. I make plenty of mistakes. I actually don't like everything to be perfect. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to work on the next one. Copy frame. What goes good with red? Let's try some green. No, that's too Christmassy. Purple? No. We'll go with yellow. That's too McDonald's. Let's see here. I'm going with the light green. That's a little less Christmassy. Okay, and then copy frame. Last one. Let's go with orange. Okay, now let's play what we have so far. Pretty cool. So that's a simple name Blinkie, and you can be as creative as you want. You don't have to do exactly what I did. You can also add images to each of your frames to make an object swim through your frame or fly through your frame or walk through your frame. Or you could have like a bunch of objects like crowding around your name so that they're like coming closer and closer to your name each time. Just an idea. So when you are done, you can play, and if you're happy with that, don't forget to save. Click on Save. And we're going to save this as a GIF file, a GIF file. That's an animation format. You can save it in full if you want. That's full resolution. Click Continue. Might take a while. And I'm going to show you where you can save this. You want to make sure you save it in the correct location. You're going to save it to your student drive. Save it in the correct location, or later on, click Save again. Later on, you're not going to be able to find it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this pull down arrow right here. Pay attention. You're going to find your student number. And it might say H2 right here. It probably will. Click on your student number, and you're going to name this Name Blinkie or Animation Name Blinkie.
Fourth grade team, please come to the cafeteria. Fourth grade team, come to the cafeteria.
Okay, there was an announcement. Clicking on Save. And now I'm going to show you how to get to your Name Blinkie. I'm going to minimize this window by clicking on this little button right here. Minimize this one, and I'm going to go to my Name Blinkie by clicking on My Computer. Click on your H drive, your student number, and you should see your animation Name Blinkie here. Right click on it, open. Let's see here. No, we want to go right. We want to right click on it. Let's try it again. Right click on it, open with, and you're going to open it with Internet Explorer. So again, right click, not left click, right click, open with Internet Explorer. And that's how you open it. And there's my Name Blinkie. Pretty cool, huh? You can also display this in a PowerPoint presentation. So if you copy this over to a PowerPoint, it'll play it as well. Have fun with this activity. Bye-bye.